These two boxes are full of dynamite, Gabby. The workers left them here when they bulldozed the building next door.
What are you trying to say?
Let's go get Amy out of jail. You said you felt bad for tricking her and leaving her there.
What if we get caught, Kirk?
Well, trust me, we won't get caught.
I hate her, I hate her, I hate her, I hate her, I hate her. I can't believe she used me to break out, and then left me here. How could you do that? Gabby? Hey, Amy? What? You have a visitor. He says he is your uncle. Okay.
Hello, Amy.
I don't know who you are.
Shush, be quiet. It's me, Kirk, Gabby's friend who was in here.
Shh. Where is she? Where is she?
We are getting you out of here. I have dynamite to blow a hole in the wall. When you hear knocking, move to the front of the cell. Then a hole will be blown in your back wall. Run out to me, okay?
Okay, yes.
Are you ready? It is all set up. All I have to do is light it.
Yes, hurry up.
Come on, let's go. Run, run, run.
Yes, let's go. Amy, I am really sorry for what I did, but I am here now, and we got you out? Okay, I forgive you.
Go, go, go. Keep running. Go.